Want to unlock the secrets hidden within Redfin and become a real estate data detective? First, head over to redfin.com and type in the address of a specific property or even just a general neighborhood you're interested in. Once you're on a property listing page, pay close attention to the basics: the listed price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the square footage. These give you an immediate sense of the property's size and cost. Next, check out the Redfin Estimate. This is Redfin's automated valuation of the property, giving you a baseline for its potential market value. But remember, it's just an estimate. Scroll down to the property history section. This reveals the property's past sale dates and prices, offering insights into its appreciation over time. Don't skip the neighborhood data. Redfin provides valuable information on school ratings, nearby amenities like restaurants and parks, and even demographic information, all crucial for assessing an area's desirability. Finally, explore the market insights section here. You'll find charts showing median sale prices, inventory levels, and other trends for the area, helping you understand the overall market dynamics. By mastering these key data points, you'll be well equipped to analyze market trends, assess property values, and make informed real estate decisions. Happy investing!